Hey quiz explorers! Welcome to QuizWhizWonders, where we challenge your brain with fun quizzes. Today, we're on an emoji hunt. Can you spot the odd one out? Let's dive in and find out. Spot the odd one. Found it! You're a pro! Can you spot the odd cherry emoji? Sweet! You caught it! Which one looks different? I knew you could do it! Can you pick out the unique emoji? Sharp eyes. That's the one. Where is the unique emoji found? Right there. You spotted it fast. Can you find the odd emoji? Boom! You got it. Find the emoji that does not match. Nice catch. That one's different. Gotcha. The odd emoji is right here. You're on fire. Keep going. Can you solve this one? Nailed it. You have a sharp eye. Look closely. Where is the odd one? Found it. You're a pro. If you spot the odd mushroom, you've got some sharp eyes. Yes! You have a keen eye. Can you spot the unique emoji among the rest? Excellent! That's the odd one. Where is the unique emoji found? Right on target. Well done. Which butterfly emoji is the odd one? Fantastic. You got it right. Can you find the odd emoji? Super sharp. You nailed it. Find the emoji that does not match. Another correct answer. Which emoji is not like the others? Bingo! That's the odd one. Find the odd emoji on this board. You found it? Well done. How about this one? Wow, that was a tricky one. Can you spot the emoji that does not have a pair? That's right, you're unstoppable. Point to the different emoji. Boom! You got it. First try. Can you figure out where the odd emoji is? Nice work. That's the one. Do you know which emoji is different? You're a genius! That's it. One of these emojis is different. Found it! You're on a roll! Can you spot the odd emoji? Perfect. You got it. Can you find it? Right again. Keep going. Where is the different emoji hiding? You have eagle eyes. Got it. Stay focused and find something different. Impressive. You cracked it. Can you figure it out? Smart move. That's the answer. Where is the unique emoji found? There it is. You're too good at this. Can you find the odd emoji? Yes, you got it just in time. Find the emoji that does not match. Amazing! That was tough. Final challenge. Can you spot the odd one? Boom! You nailed it. Great job, QuizWhiz! If you had fun, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more challenges. Drop your score in the comments, and we'll see you in the next quiz adventure.